fact, they're taking a proper history. So we have got few patients on arrival only, they've come with diarrhea. So till now we've tested, I think, 1,655 till yesterday. These many crew members have been tested. And around 13 cases of diarrhea have been detected, and treatment is being given then and there. If we had only one who was mildly dehydrated, who was sent to PHC Bali, but soon he was also fine. But till now, and what we are instructing the boat owners is to keep them under isolation. That is most important, to isolate them. Okay, and once they're fine, only then they can join back. And the treatment is being given to them over here itself. For us, the sanitation part, there are two parts. Regarding the sanitation part, it's a toilet and they should be using soap. So we'll be given clear instructions to the boat owners. Please tell your crew members to use soap for hand washing. Okay, after using the toilet, before eating any food, and bring boiled water, because everybody has gone through it last year, so they know what instructions are there, but it needs to be followed. That is most important. There, the only thing we can tackle is by proper hand washing and then drinking boiled water. Because with the facilities that they have, I think this is the only thing that we can advise them. That I think you will have to discuss with fisheries. We cannot give, because the fisheries, I think they have their comments on that, how they're going to get it done.
We have water pump and regularly evening and morning flushing of the oxygen shade and the jetty. And plus आमचे regular cleanliness drive असता along with the health officials with the surface. ते जर आम्ही flushing करतात पंपामध्ये आम्ही ते individual ओनराक मध्ये आम्ही नोटीस इश्यू करताले आणि आमचे किती ॲक्शन आसा ते आम्ही डिपार्टमेंट करतले. Yes, but now what is happened, we have tested on all the dinghies, so some boats are not identified. So that we will see what we have to do. But we will give the directions to the listener and we will find them. So that penalty fine we will put for it. One leg if they don't remove within 13 days, so that fine will be there circular, and actually circular instead they will take up for that. But if within 30 days if they don't, then they will be fining them and taking the fine.
आम्ही खूप डिस्कशन केले. टॉयलेट्स जो इन्स्टॉल केले लास्ट टाइम तो फंक्शनल आसा ते चेक केले, नवीन जेटी आणि मुखाले कितें इंस्ट्रक्शन आसता आमी इशू करतले. आतां म्हाका कळ्ळें की ते सेप्टीक टँक बरोबर ना म्हणून पूण डायरेक्शन दिता हांव तांकां थ्रू कोण कन्सर्न डिपार्टमेंट आसा ते बेगीन बेगीन ते करून दवरता. हॉटेल लागीं आसा तेंची कितें तरी आसा हें आसा लायटनेस आसा, हांव करता डायरेक्शन दिता कलेक्टर कडेन उलोवन. आय वील चेक आनी आय वील लायक इन द प्रोसेस. तेंच्यांनी ऑलमोस्ट 200 केसीस हे केल्ल्यो, स्क्रिनींग केल्यो. तेरा कितें 1600 केसीस डिटेक्ट हे केल्ल्यो, स्क्रिनींग केल्ल्यो. ओन्ली हार्डली 15 केसीस डिटेक्ट जाले. 13 have been detected so far.